Hello, little friends. Today we are drawing and painting the George Pig playing with football. So, let's start to draw. At first, we will draw the George Pig head. Yeah, like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Step by step, follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Yeah, always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Like that. We are almost finished here. Look at how cute the George Pig look like. Yay! The George Pig from Peppa Pig. Yay! The George Pig is the Peppa Pig younger brother. Yay! Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig. Yes, we are almost finished. And the time to learn the color's name. Black color, dark pink color, baby pink color, dark blue color. At first we are using the dark blue color. Thank you, little friends. Bye bye.